नमस्कार। आज हम इंटरप्रिटेशन के यूनिट फर्स्ट के एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करेंगे। टॉपिक है लेजिस्लेशन, आई मीन विधायन। लेजिस्लेशन ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। इससे जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, और अगर हम पिछले क्वेश्चन को रीड करें तो ये कई बार पूछा जा चुका है। तो क्वेश्चन है, What do you understand by legislation? Discuss executive legislation and what is importance of it? ये जो क्वेश्चन है, इसमें हमने इसको 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, जिसमें पहले पार्ट में है मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म लेजिस्लेशन, डिफिनेशन गिवन बाय वेरियस स्कॉलर Salmon, Austin, Holland, Bentham and J.S. Mill, Blackstone. पहला पार्ट में मीनिंग ऑफ टर्म ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन, सेकेंड पार्ट में डिफिनेशन गिवन बाय वेरियस स्कॉलर एंड थर्ड पार्ट में है काइंड ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन। द काइंड्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन में अकॉर्डिंग टू सामन सुप्रीम लेजिस्लेशन, सबऑर्डिनेट लेजिस्लेशन, और काइंड्स ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट लेजिस्लेशन, colonial legislation, executive legislation, ordinance making power of the president and governor under article 123 and article 213 respectively, and delegated legislation, judicial legislation, rule making power of supreme court and high court in constitution of India under article 145 and article 227 respectively. Rule making power of High Court by CPC and CRPC under section 122 and section 477 respectively. Municipal legislation, तो आइए हम इस पर हम चर्चा करते हैं। तो the term legislation. The term legislation is derived from 2 words. Legis means law and latum means to make or set. Thus, the legislation means making of law. Definition, परिभाषा, according Salmon. Legislation is that sources of law which consists in the declaration of legal rule by a competent authority. Second, according Austin, legislation includes an activity which result into law making or amending, transforming or inserting new provision in the existing law. Thus, there can be no law without a legislative enactment. Third, according Holland, legislation is making of general orders by our judges and is as true legislation is carried on by the crown. According to Bentham and J.S. Mill, legislation included both the process of law making and the law evolved as a result of this process. According to Blackstone, legislation may be most accurately termed as enacted law and all other forms of law as enacted law. Thus, we see that legislation is that sources of law which is created by legislative body. However, in broadest sense, it may be enacted by court and administrative body too. Now, kinds of legislation. According to Salmon, legislation may either by supreme legislation. Legislation is supreme when if proceeds from sovereign power in the state. Subordinate legislation. Legislation is subordinate when it proceeds from any other authority than sovereign power. Kinds of subordinate legislation. The chief form of subordinate legislations are colonial legislation. During British Raj, colonial were conferred limited power of self-governance. The colonial, in exercise of the limited power, can legislate, but the law so made can be repealed, altered, or superseded by the imperial legislation, namely the British Parliament. Law made by imperial legislation for colonial was called colonial legislation. Now, second, executive legislation. The legislature, example, the parliament quite often delegates its rule making power to certain department of the executive organ of the government. This is known as executive legislation. The law made in pursuance of this power have the force of law. Keaton suggests that this species of subordinate legislation has given rise to vast body of rules known as administrative law. Executive legislation in India includes power to make rules, regulation by law, etc. There are two chief forms of executive legislation. A. Ordinance making power of the President and Governor, Article 123 and Article 213 of the Constitution of India. B. Delegated legislation. Third है judicial legislation. In certain cases, legislative power of rule making is delegated to the judiciary, and the superior court are authorized to make rules for regulation of their own procedure in exercise of power. This is also known as judicial legislation, which should not be confused with precedent, which is a sources of law. The Constitution of India has conferred the power of rule making to the Supreme Court of India Supreme Court of Article 145. Similar power is conferred on the High Court under Article 227. Further, under CPC and CRPC, High Court has been given power to from rules. Section 122 CPC and Section 477 CRPC confer rule making power on the High Court. Municipal legislation. Municipal authorities are allowed to make law for limited purpose such as water tax, house tax, loan, planning, health, etc. The reason for guaranteeing such power is that local bodies can best know the need of local citizens and serve better than the state legislature or central legislature. Autonomous legislation. The legislation made by autonomous bodies like university, companies, corporation, etc. known as autonomous legislation. Generally, these entities are established by passing an act. Prasar Bharati, BSNL, etc. are example of autonomous body, autonomous corporation. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है लेजिस्लेशन पर, इस पे कभी कभी द काइंड्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन में पूछ देता है. द काइंड्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन में शॉर्ट नोट में कभी एग्जीक्यूटिव लेजिस्लेशन, तो कभी कॉलोनियल लेजिस्लेशन, और कभी डेलीगेशन या डेलीगेटेड लेजिस्लेशन पूछ लेता है, और कभी कभी सबऑर्डिनेट लेजिस्लेशन भी शॉर्ट में पूछा जाता है. और लॉन्ग में पूछेगा तो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लेजिस्लेशन एंड डिस्कस द वेरियस काइंड ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन, या कभी कभी जुडिशियल लेजिस्लेशन, एग्जीक्यूटिव लेजिस्लेशन भी शॉर्ट में पूछा जाता है. तो नाउ द कंप्लीट टॉपिक एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. थैंक यू.